Welcome, engineers! Today I'll demonstrate the Mohr Circle Interactive Calculator, a powerful tool that transforms complex stress states into clear visual representations, making stress analysis faster and more intuitive. This calculator features 5 calculation modes. First, calculate principal stresses and angle, which finds maximum and minimum normal stresses. Second, calculate transform stresses at angle, determining stress components at any rotation. Third, calculate maximum shear stress, identifying critical shear conditions. Fourth, calculate circle parameters, providing the center and radius values. Fifth, reverse from principal stresses to original state, working backwards from known principal values. Let's work through a practical example using calculate principal stresses and angle mode. For a steel beam under combined loading, I'll enter sigma x normal stress x as 80 megapascal, sigma y normal stress y as negative 40 megapascal, and tau xy shear stress as 30 megapascal. After calculation, the tool instantly generates the Mohr circle diagram and outputs the principal stresses sigma 1 at 89.7 MPa and sigma 2 at negative 49.7 MPa, with the principal angle theta p at 16.8 degrees. This tells us the maximum tensile stress is 89.7 MPa, occurring at 16.8 degrees from the original x-axis. These outputs are critical for design verification. The principal stresses determine if your material will yield, while the angle shows the failure plane orientation. One key insight: always check your sign conventions. Positive shear stress indicates clockwise rotation on the element face, which many engineers reverse accidentally. Find the link in the description below.